The resource panel. Used during assessments, the resource panel offers additional information that learners may need when answering questions. A typical example might be something like the periodic table of elements. Learners now have more control over this panel. You can maximize, minimize, go full screen, resize, all those sorts of things. Let's take a quick look. Here's a typical question that a student might see. To help answer, they might need some resources. In the paper days, think of this as some supplementary material that might go hand in hand with a question booklet. Authors can now set up a resource item and an icon will appear for students to interact with in the sidebar. Once you open this, you can move it around, you can resize it, minimize it, go full screen. But more importantly, you can tuck it out of the way while you answer the question. While I go to the next question, the resource still appears while I answer it. At Learnosity, we do believe that inclusive assessment products are simply better assessment products. And here's a perfect example of why that's the case. The resource panel now provides full keyboard control, which includes skip to functionality to jump from the resource panel back to the question. While this feature is primarily to assist those who don't use a mouse, it also has the added benefit of enabling power users to work more efficiently. As an example of using the resource panel using the keyboard only, I can launch the panel, move in and have a look at keyboard instructions, move across, skip back to the question, skip back into the resource panel. I can minimize, maximize, and I can also resize the panel, all using the keyboard.